Good morning, everyone.
Howdy.
You'd never guess what we're doing today. We're going on
adventure!
Woo!
Woo!
Let's get to it.
Yay!
Okay, we're here. Queen Mary Falls. Hopefully there's not too many mosquitoes.
Oh, hold on.
Oh.
Sorry.
Dogs and camping prohibited, so that's why there's no dodgies or tigers or franks.
Yeah. Angle parking.
Yeah, right there, darling. That's perfect. Let's go on an adventure. It's the one we want. Yep.
3 kilometre.
About 40 minutes of walking.
40?
Yeah, that's the. Sometimes the journey is part of the adventure. That's why people go on cruise ships, because it's. Yeah. Yeah. But you get it. You're out in nature.
Going down.
Yeah, this leads us to the bottom of the falls to watch it.
Oh, and then we go up.
Then we go back up.
Oh, I prefer to go up and then down.
Oh.
Because I'll be popping. Everyone okay?
Yeah. Yep.
Everyone still with us?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Oh, the stairs are getting narrower.
Oh.
Good for little kids' feet.
Yeah, mine not so much.
For size 9s and 10s.
I have to go down sideways.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Oh.
And when it rains, it's much faster and bigger.
Queen Mary Falls.
Okay.
There's a little swimming hole down there.
Oh, yeah. A little what?
Swimming hole. There and there. That'd be nice in that part. Yeah, I reckon I can get all the way across.
I can.
Mm. You gonna go?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys ready? I'm gonna get all the way across. Oh. Woo! I got across. I got mad skills.
Yeah, you do. Nice.
Yeah.
Grandpa?
We're going to Browns Falls.
It's what?
We're going to Browns Falls. They call it Browns Falls because this is the start of the sewage plant. So it's a really rich coloured brown. This is how they start filtering it, like Willy Wonka. Except if Willy Wonka, you know, processed poo. You can be like Tarzan.
The log's stable. Where do you go from here?
The big rock, and then, or no, I did the little rocks, and then the log, and then the big rock.
I walked along the whole log.
No, come back this way.
You're going sideways.
Go to the right.
Help you.
Summer.
Mama. Full of
enough.
There you go.
No, it's just some of them.
Okay,
Come on.
You good?
she's there.
Yeah.
Good job.
I didn't know that. What do you think we're going to do? I'm good.
Good work. I made it look athletic. My body just went crazy.
This is all just to see a waterfall.
Yep.
That's tiny.
Oh, how nice. That's the one we saw at the top.
And now we're at the bottom of it.
No, this is not. This is a different fall.
Put a butt in my face.
I'm about to say the same thing. I was going to grab it. Yeah, boy.
No.
I like how there's semblance of a path and occasionally. You're like, is that the path? I think they got it right over there actually.
We have to cut them. You'll drink from your responsibility.
You right, Summer? What's this, Carmen?
Roadside stall.
Matthew's Rest Produce. That's just all little local produce here.
So there's $8 juice, $3 salad mix, $2 shallots, $2 carrot bunch, $5 punnet of strawberries. There's some art and craft up the top there as well. Some plants.
Oh, look, there's a Finnies. Who would have thought? Yeah, Shawnee, show everyone what you got.
Saber.
What'd you get? An Adventure Time shirt. Show the back. So it's like he's got the backpack. And what'd you guys get? A stuffed toy each. Awesome. Anything else good, Carmen?
A pair of Origin lady shoes.
Oh yeah, Origin lady shoes. A New York Giants New Era cap. I got a Ringers t-shirt, a Broncos shirt.
A Rocket handbag.
Yeah, Broncos shirt.
I think I had.
I'll show this thing, Carmen. This one was good. This one was nice.
I think I
Like a proper 4X bitter. 4X bitter polo from like the, that'd be from,
Size too.
yeah. A little bit of marks, might have to clean it. But yeah, not a great haul, but
We got some.
yeah.
on my window.
It's alright, they're gonna wash it off in a second. Watch.
What's steam pressure? It's
Like hot water being shot out. Oh. Hey everyone, it's Nate. I'm here in the packing shed. This is the day after our trip back to Killarney. We ended up going, when we went to Warwick, we actually went to the opshop there because the kids enjoyed the first one so much. So I thought I'd quickly go through all the good purchases at least from there. So we got a New York Giants. This is, I think it's a New Era cap. Yeah, New Era cap. That was like $1, I think, or $2. A nice Billabong cap. This young lady here is, I think, from 2012 Australian Open, so like it's just a plush, but I thought that looked quite interesting. Karma bought this for $1. So you got Cookie Monster here. I think he's from 1999. So he's like a marching band sort of one. Look, he's got even little cookie notes. But then you do this. I think he does all different. And then he talks. Cha-cha-cha. Oh, there's the racing one. Okay, so that's what Carmen grabbed. We've got some Oraton shoes. Oraton, obviously a very high-end brand, so they're well worth the go. A ventilizer pump therapy kit for $8. I thought at the low end they seem to be about $30 and all that. I don't think I can get it open from this angle, but yeah, for $8 that was worth a gamble. Apparently Carmen was saying this is some brand of perfume or something, so she might keep it for herself, might sell it, we'll see. Oh, okay, sorry, I put stuff in the wrong order here. This is a Casio FX82 MS. Needs a bit of a clean up and all that, but they're still about $30. Like I thought only a few calculators were worth something, but that was worth a little bit of money. This here is I didn't get it last time, but I had a look at the comps. So $5, I think they could be a bit of a long tail item, but for $5 it was worth a gamble. You know, someone wants to put back in an original factory radio. So what is it? A PC800898. I'm just saying that now so when I do comps on the screen I can look it up without having to come back out here. And then it turned into a camera day. So this one here, a Sony CyberShot. So it's got case, chargers, everything and all that. And then where are we? Down here. Of course it's not going to... Why does it just keep getting just out of my reach? Where'd it go? Okay. This is exciting, isn't it? Okay, so this is the memory card for it. So 32 megabytes. So I thought, okay, that's cool. That has a little bit of value. I'll pop on the screen. But then I noticed there was a booklet down here for a larger memory card. So I thought, oh, we might be in luck here. So here's the camera itself. Still a 7.2. So not, you know, not like it's a 3 or something. This is not going to come out. There we go. It's got the little adapter as well. And then you slide him out. And 256, which these are the same. These Memory Stick Pros, they're what they use in PSPs. So I'll probably keep the lesser one with the camera to sell and then sell this one. But at the same time, I might do the, you know, if in doubt, part it out. So we'll see. That was $12 with a funky little case, which, you know, when I went into there, I thought, oh, there might be something in the front, but there wasn't. Next one, $5 for an X300 Minolta. You know, the standard lens attached to it. That one was, yeah, $5. I looked up, I think it was about a $50 for just the standard camera by itself with just the regular lens. So for $5, well worth a gamble. And then this case, this was just sitting down with the luggage. So I thought it was just a case. So that's why no one looked at it. But inside is a Pentax MZ10. So this is like a really nice zoom lens. Can't see the 70 to 210 millimeter zoom lens, so that's quite awesome. This is all someone's just made it themselves, so all the paperwork and that's down there. There's another lens here, some filters, different something like that, I don't know. And then there's this thing which is a chrome filter, and that thing itself, Koken A217, that comped out I think about the 25 to 30 mark. So if I sell that for close to its price, that pays for everything, which you always love. Here's another for the sun. So yep, so 3 cameras on the day. And just quickly, because I know we're already at 5 minutes, I don't know what the rest of it's going to be like, so I'll just quickly go through the clothes. I'll just move the chair so I've got somewhere to throw them. Hard Rock Cafe Shanghai. Anytime I see a proper Hard Rock Cafe shirt, I can't help but grab them. Cutter and Buck, so yeah, that was a Carmen purchase, so she must know something about that brand that I don't. Forex Gold Polo, Forex Bitter, so this would be from like the factory tour that you do. That's a local Queensland beer. Cherry Coke on a proper Coke tag, something that will pop on Depop. This is our poor Brisbane Broncos. I normally don't buy the regular NRL stuff, but it's a proper, it's not just the NRL supporter, like it's a classic brand one, and just has a good look to it. And even here down here, the NRL authentic, so one that looks a little bit half decent. Levi 554s, always grab Levi's every time. This Billabong shirt was buy one get one free last time. This time it was half price, so I grabbed him. Just a nice, you know, big Billabong down the bottom and all that, so it might stand out a little bit. Canterbury Uglies. I love getting these for the shop. These things sell very well. They're very expensive, very desired. It's a women's uglies, size 14. So, yep, good look. RB Sellers jeans. I think these are only 4 actually. But I've got a whole heap of these in the shop. So like that's, now that I've got such a level of stock, anything I sell, like I can just look up Granite Mountain RB Sellers and I'll find all my listings. So it's easy then to go, okay, this is the exact same ones, change pictures, change the size, boom, done. So as you have more items, the quicker it gets. And this is just a Australian, other Western country brand ringers. You see them a lot at when you go to rodeos or country markets and things like that. Ringers is always there. So these t-shirts I think are like a $40 to $45 shirt. So they're very expensive to buy. So for $4, took a gamble on him. And that is everything from the purchases. So we're going to head to the post office. We've got a couple of sales. And then we're going to spend the afternoon with the crazy nieces and nephews. So hope you enjoyed this episode. I know we've been to Killarney before, but we did a few different things. So see you next time.